Hi, welcome to TGN Tech channel. Today I'll be doing the unboxing of the SFP module for the SDX Pro from Peplink. Right, so from the first two videos previously, you will see that I've done the unboxing for the router itself, where we've gone through and explained the various ports that are available on the SDX Pro. And one of the main key functions for the SDX Pro is its expansion slots. Okay. So in the second video, we actually done an installation of the 8-port PoE switch, okay, over here, right? So there's 8 port switches here, all right. And then what we're going to do now today is we're going to be adding on the SFP modules, okay. So this is another Flex Mini module where we can put in 4 SFP ports, okay. Let me unbox the unit itself and show it to you, okay. Right, so what we have here is okay. So there's 4 SFP plus ports, all right. So you can actually use it as a switching or as a WAN. So you can use it either as LAN or WAN, okay. So in my case, for my deployment, I'm going to use them as LANs, okay, for my LAN uplink from my switches, okay. So the connectors at the back here, it's going to be the same. If you've seen the previous video, it has actually 2 connectors because one of it is for the power because of the PoE. Okay. For this, we're just going to be having the connectors to do the interface connection. Okay. Let me place it right in front of you while I remove the screw. Okay. Similarly, removing the screw is the same as the previous one. Okay. Let me show it to you. Let me get a bigger screw. Driver. Right, okay, so as like the previous video, you just remove it out, and as usual, there's the claps on top, alright? So let me show you what's inside, okay? You will see that there are actually also the connectors and also the power connectors. Let me show it to you. Okay, you can see that there's 2 connectors, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to gently slide it in, okay? Okay, so once you hear the click, it basically secure itself, and the next portion is to screw in and tighten it. Okay, gently, don't tighten it yet, just to secure it first. Okay, after that's done, give it a slight twist. Okay, not too hard, and there. All right, so you can see that this SDX Pro is complete now. All right, so there's two options of the 8-port PoE switch and also the 4 ports of SFP plus. Okay, so now in fact, with all these LAN ports and SFP plus, there are some questions asked is that, so in total, how many WANs, okay, can this combination come up with? All right, so we're going to do a another video where we will power up this unit. Okay, it's going to be very noisy, it's going to be very loud because it has a dual PSU. All right, and let's take a look at the interface. Okay, the firmware is going to recognize these 2 modules and going to allow you to dictate, all right, what's going to be your WAN and what's going to be your LAN. All right, so that's the beauty of it. Okay, so that's one of the benefits of using the Peplink X series, where you have expansion. Okay, not only you can put in multiple LTE, A or 5G modules. Okay, you can also expand it further by having multiple RJ45 ports or multiple SFP plus ports. All right, so do explore them, and if you have any questions, do reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Okay, if you do like the video, remember to click like, and if you like the channel, remember to subscribe. All right, thank you very much.